Hello, and welcome. Join me on a journey through Switzerland, a land where the Alps rise in breathtaking harmony and turquoise lakes reflect the sky. We'll explore 10 extraordinary locations, each a chapter in Switzerland's epic story. Prepare to be immersed in landscapes that have inspired artists, poets, and adventurers for centuries. Let's begin our unforgettable visual odyssey through the magnificent splendor of Switzerland. Our journey begins with an icon, the Matterhorn. Rising sharply from the earth, it commands attention from every angle, its silhouette instantly recognizable even from afar. Its near-perfect pyramid shape, carved by relentless glaciers over millennia, stands as a solitary monarch over the Alps, a testament to the forces that shaped our planet. More than a mountain, it's a symbol of Switzerland, emblazoned on chocolate wrappers, stamps, and postcards. It's woven into the nation's identity. For adventurers, it's a challenge, an aspiration, and a rite of passage. Each year, climbers from around the world test their limits on its steep ridges. Yet the Matterhorn is also a reminder of nature's untamable power. Sudden storms and shifting weather have humbled even the most experienced mountaineers. The Matterhorn's layered rocks tell a story of continents colliding, of unimaginable forces pushing and folding the Earth's crust. Its peak is a remnant of the African plate, now perched atop Europe, a geological marvel millions of years in the making. From Zermatt, the mountain glows with the fiery alpenglow at dawn, a daily spectacle that inspires awe and draws photographers and dreamers alike. The Matterhorn shapes its own weather, often shrouding itself in swirling clouds or standing clear against a deep blue sky. Its slopes shelter hardy alpine wildflowers and elusive animals like the ibex and marmot, each adapted to survive in this rugged environment. The mountain commands reverence from all who see it, tourists, locals, and mountaineers alike, each drawn by its magnetic presence. It's a living entity, a constant in a changing world, its face transformed by the shifting light and the passing seasons. To witness the Matterhorn is to feel both the grandeur of nature and our own smallness within it, a humbling, unforgettable experience. Its presence is a powerful reminder of the enduring majesty of our planet, reflected in tranquil lakes and fiery sunsets. Here, beauty and danger coexist, forever etched in stone, warning us to respect the wild. The Matterhorn is Switzerland's eternal guardian, watching over the land and inspiring all who gaze upon its timeless form. We descend to the tranquil shores of Lake Geneva, Lac Léman, the largest lake in Switzerland, where the gentle lapping of water and the distant call of birds create a sense of peace that is almost timeless. This is a place where nature and culture have flourished side by side for centuries. Shaped like a crescent moon, its clear waters mirror the sky and the Alps, creating a landscape of serenity and abundance. The lake's unique form has inspired poets, artists, and travelers for generations, drawing them to its reflective surface and the stories it holds. The Lavaux vineyard terraces, sculpted over centuries, cascade down to the water, a testament to harmony between people and nature. These ancient stone walls and lush vines are living proof of human ingenuity, adapting to the land's contours and climate to create something truly special. Here, the three suns, the sky above, the shimmering reflection from the lake, and the warmth stored in the stone walls, work together to ripen the Chasselas grape, producing exceptional wines that are celebrated far beyond Switzerland's borders. Each glass tells the story of this unique microclimate and the generations who have tended these vines. Paddle steamers with their elegant white hulls and rhythmic paddles glide across the lake, connecting charming towns and offering ever-changing vistas. These historic vessels are more than just transport, they are a living link to the past, inviting travelers to experience the lake's beauty from a new perspective. Lake Geneva is a vital ecosystem, providing water, supporting wildlife, and nurturing life along its shores. Fish dart beneath the surface, water birds nest in the reeds, and the surrounding forests and meadows thrive thanks to the lake's gentle influence. To stand here is to feel the pulse of a landscape where alpine grandeur meets tranquil water, where every view is a reminder of nature's artistry and the enduring bond between people and place. It's a harmony that has inspired humanity for generations, inviting us to pause, reflect, and find our own place within this timeless crescent of life. We ascend to Jungfraujoch, the top of Europe, a place where the air grows thin and the world below seems to fall away. The journey itself is an adventure, winding ever higher through a landscape transformed by snow and ice. reached by a cogwheel train that carves its way through the mighty Eiger and Manche. This high-altitude saddle offers a world sculpted by rock, snow, and eternal ice. The train's windows frame a panorama of jagged peaks and endless white, a preview of the wonders to come. From the Sphinx Observatory, perched high above the clouds, you gaze across a sea of peaks and the vast Aletsch Glacier, Europe's longest river of ice. The view stretches for miles, revealing the raw, untamed beauty of the Alps in every direction. The glacier's deep crevasses and winding moraines tell a story written over millennia, revealing the slow, powerful work of time and the relentless movement of ice. Each crack and ridge is a testament to nature's patient artistry. Step inside and the ice palace shimmers with blue light, its walls carved into intricate sculptures and frozen tunnels. Here, art and nature blend, and the palace itself is ever shifting as the glacier moves beneath your feet, creating a magical, otherworldly atmosphere. Jungfraujoch is also a hub for scientific research, where glaciology and astronomy meet the raw power of nature. Scientists from around the world gather here to study the secrets of the ice, the stars, and the changing climate at the roof of Europe. Here, you witness the elemental forces that shape our world, wind, snow, and stone, in constant motion, sculpting the landscape before your eyes. It's a place of wonder, humility, and connection to the planet's ancient rhythms. Standing here, you feel both small and deeply connected to the grandeur of nature. To stand at Jungfraujoch is to feel the pulse of the Alps, to sense the heartbeat of the mountains echoing through the ice and snow. It's an experience you'll never forget. A journey to the heart of the Alps, where the spirit of adventure and the majesty of nature come together in a palace of eternal ice. We descend into Lauterbrunnen Valley, a realm of cliffs, meadows, and waterfalls. 72 waterfalls, including the ethereal Staubach Fall, cascade from sheer cliffs, filling the air with mist and music. Hidden within the valley, the Trummelbach Falls thunder inside the mountain, a raw display of glacial power. On the valley floor, green meadows and wooden chalets create a peaceful alpine scene. The sound of cowbells and rushing water is the valley's constant melody. Lauterbrunnen inspired Tolkien's vision of Rivendell, a place where myth and reality blend. Here the drama of nature and the gentleness of alpine life coexist. Every sense is awakened by this landscape. It's a living testament to the diversity and beauty of the Alps. Lauterbrunnen is truly unforgettable. In the heart of Switzerland lies Lake Lucerne, its arms reaching deep into the mountains. This lake is woven into Swiss history. The legendary Oath of Alliance was sworn on its shores, birthing a nation. The Chapel Bridge in Lucerne, with its painted history, stands as a living museum. Paddle steamers glide past villages and cliffs, evoking a sense of nostalgia and romance. The lake's mood shifts with the weather, from tranquil reflections to dramatic storms. Here, natural beauty and national identity are inseparable. Lake Lucerne is the soul of central Switzerland. It's a place where stories and landscapes merge. Interlaken, meaning between the lakes, rests between Lake Thun and Lake Brienz. This gateway town offers access to the Bernese Oberland's towering peaks. Lake Thun is open and grand. Lake Brienz is wild and turquoise, fed by glacial streams. Interlaken's Victorian hotels and open meadows recall a golden age of tourism. Today, it's Europe's adventure capital. Paragliding, rafting, hiking, and skiing abound. Here, serene beauty meets adrenaline-fueled excitement. Interlaken invites you to engage with the mountains, not just admire them. It's the ultimate base camp for exploration. The Bernese Oberland is a grand symphony of peaks, glaciers, and meadows. The Eiger, Monch, and Jungfrau dominate a skyline that divides Europe's north and south. Glaciers descend from the heights, while wildflower meadows and car-free villages like Grindelwald and Murren offer peace and charm. Trails wind through forests, ridges, and valleys, each step revealing new wonders. The sound of cowbells and rushing streams is ever present. Hiking here is immersion in nature's masterpiece. Every view is a reminder of the Alps' enduring beauty. The Bernese Oberland is the alpine dream made real. At the foot of the Matterhorn lies Zermatt, a village defined by its harmony with nature. Free of combustion engine cars, Zermatt is peaceful, its air crisp and its streets quiet. Traditional wooden barns and centuries-old chalets blend with modern comforts. Surrounded by 38 peaks over 4,000 meters, Zermatt is a paradise for mountaineers and skiers. The Gurnergrat Railway offers breathtaking panoramas of the Matterhorn and glaciers. Skiing here is legendary, year-round thanks to the Theodol Glacier. Zermatt thrives by prioritizing preservation and sustainable access. It's a sanctuary from the outside world where the mountains are always close. Here, you reconnect with the profound beauty of the Alps. In the Engadin Valley lies the Swiss National Park, the oldest in the Alps. Here, nature is left to its own rhythms, no logging, no hunting, no interference. Forests of sembra pine, fallen logs and wild meadows create a haven for wildlife. Trails allow visitors to observe ibex, chamois, and soaring bearded vultures. The landscape shifts from deep forests to stark rocky passes and vibrant autumn colors. The park is a living laboratory showing how ecosystems thrive without human management. It's a sanctuary where nature reigns. To walk these paths is to witness the resilience and beauty of the wild. The Swiss National Park is a rare glimpse of Europe's untamed past. Our journey nears its end in Montreux, on the sunlit shores of Lake Geneva. The lakeside promenade, lined with palm trees and flowers, feels like a Mediterranean Riviera. Sculptures and the statue of Freddie Mercury reflect the town's creative spirit. The Château de Chillon, floating on the lake, is a 1,000-year-old castle steeped in history and legend. Montreux is world-renowned for its jazz festival, drawing artists and music lovers from around the globe. Here, art and nature coexist in perfect harmony. Montreux embodies the gentle, elegant side of Switzerland. As the sun sets over the lake, peace and beauty fill the air. It's a fitting finale to our Swiss Odyssey. Our journey through Switzerland's wonders comes to a close. From the Matterhorn Shadow to Montreux's sunlit promenade, we've witnessed a land of profound beauty and diversity. These landscapes are treasures, sources of inspiration and awe. Thank you for joining me on this virtual tour. Share your favorite moments or memories in the comments below. Until next time, may you find beauty and wonder wherever you are.